Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short, little unboxing video to share with you guys. I really doubt it's going to be short or little because this is actually a gigantic box and it's pretty heavy. This was sent to me by a viewer named Kelly who reached out to me on Instagram saying, I would really like to send you some stuff that you can give away. Some of it is stuff that I make. And I guess there are knives in here too. I don't know. I haven't opened it up. I have no idea what's in here, but this is not meant for me. I mean, it's meant for me to share with you guys. So thank you very much, Kelly. That was really cool. This is apparently stuff she makes. I have no idea if she sells it or I don't know. But Kelly, you're welcome to make yourself known in the comments. If you have a place where you want people to go, or if you have social media, then absolutely. I looked at her social media page and didn't see anything that looked like I should link over there, so I didn't. But like I said, Kelly, make yourself known in the comments. Thanks so much to Kelly for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's see what's in here. I have the box turned upside down because all the shipping info is on the front. So I don't know if there's like a right side to open this. Okay, wow. All right, so this is not going to be a short unboxing. Oh my god, what the heck? There's so much in here. Is this like a knife? Okay, so I think there's just a whole bunch of stuff, but I don't know I don't know which is the stuff she makes. Oh, maybe it's this. MC, something to help in the future if you lock your cave door again. I've locked myself out of here multiple times. Is this a Christmas, like a boot? Oh, man. Let's get all of this out. Let's get all of this out. My God. I can't wait. I can't wait to go through this. There's so much in here. Okay, these are the ones that she makes. Okay, excellent. Actually, that's cool. I can include a bunch of this stuff. I don't know when you guys are watching this. There is a knife in here. I don't know when you guys are watching this, but I have a large... man, there's a ton of this. Kelly, that was way too nice of you. Holy moly. What's this? Bags and labels. Oh, perfect. Man, you made that super easy on me. That's wonderful. There's a note in here, too. Okay. MC, first of all, thank you so much for your content. My husband and I greatly appreciate it, even though it has lightened our pockets quite a bit over the years. LOL. I'm typing this so you don't have to try and read my chicken scratch. There's a reason I learned to type many years ago. Hey, fair enough. Now, everything in the box is yours. Do with as you wish. I did make some comments on some of the items. On the bag, there was paracord. I made myself with USA-made paracord, and the monkey's fists are 1-inch steel balls made in the USA. Also, that's why they're so heavy. God dang, there are steel balls in there. Wow, I was like, man, these are some heavy. Well, let's see here. Oh, the steel balls are also made in the USA, but you have all the say in how you wish to proceed with what we've given you. Very cool. Thank you very much for that. Everything in the box is I'm sorry, I just read that. And including extra bags to some labels with my information on them if you wish to send with any of the paracord items you may give away. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll do that. Keep anything and everything you want. I've included a few things for you and your kids. That was super kind of you. I have no idea what your wife would like. Maybe something in there is something she might take a shine to. If there's something specific you or any of you would like, let me know and I'll get something done for you. Again, thank you for everything you do. It's greatly appreciated. Kelly and Brian, thank you so much. This is super kind. I can't wait to get into these. So I want to get a couple of these out. Yeah, wow. Yeah, those are those are definitely heavy. I could imagine, right? I've never actually used something like this before, but I could imagine that it would do some damage for sure. Look at that. Very cool. Yeah. So what I'll probably do is over the course of, the next, few giveaways during the 400K and then normal live stream giveaways, you guys might even have seen some of them before you watch this video because the videos are all pre-recorded. So you may have actually caught some of these in a couple of live stream giveaways. So yeah, that's probably what I'll do is like slowly start giving these away with the other winnings in my live streams. So that's really, really cool. Now, what do we got here? JJ's knife kit. Oh, wonderful. If this is for my son, then absolutely he will love this. That's very cool. Thank you very much. For MC Junior, it says right there on the package. Okay, perfect. Very cool. There's the bags, so make sure those go out too. And we have adjustable bracelets for the kids. Perfect. The kids will definitely love these. Absolutely. I mean, they already, like, they make bracelets and stuff like that themselves all the time, so I could imagine that they would enjoy these too. Thank you. Honestly, I can't wait to pick them up from school today and show them. We got a ton of paracord bracelets in here. These are also very awesome. And again, probably do these as extra giveaway items with live stream stuff. So that just makes it really fun and interesting. It's always nice to give away like bonus stuff. Personally, I'm gonna be honest with you, I might keep that blue one. I kind of like that. That's pretty cool. All right. This is a lot of work. Like, there's so much stuff in here. The amount of work that you put into this just to send it to me. Let's open this up. RSK MK5. Are these equipped to survive? But what is this? Hold on. There's like a box. It's like the edge of the box right here is preventing me from getting further into it. Okay, here we go. So it's a tin. RSK MK5. Is this a little teeny tiny Ritter? Oh boy! Look at that! That's great. Oh, that's cool. What do we have here? Man, DRMK5. I had no idea this even existed. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, so I want to make sure, I don't want to leave out any of the knives, so I want to go through these just a little bit at a time here so we know, you know, what everybody knows what they're looking at. Thank you very much. We have a Boker of some sort. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's another, we got a neck knife, surely. Just guessing with the chain there. Yeah. Now, how do you... Oh, this whole thing. These are the scales. Oh, boy. How does this deploy? Does it... Oh, I figured it out. Thank goodness. Okay. That's kind of neat. Is this, like, magnetic? Yeah, awesome, cool. I love like weird stuff like this. It's honestly, it kind of makes me think of, every now and then I'll go to a gun show and a lot of what I see there is just garbage, but every now and then I find something interesting, right? So this is like somebody went through and found all of the interesting things. We have a couple of, is this like lighter? Let's look. Yeah, because there's the little, are they like little pellets, the flint pellets or whatever? I'm pretty sure what's going to be in here is a lighter. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Oh, nice. That's ready to go. Okay. Thank you. Very cool. These also make for really fun gifts. So, I mean, like, you know, even if you're not a smoker, there's also, I mean, there's plenty of reasons to carry a lighter outside of just being a smoker for sure. We have a Microtech pouch. Okay, awesome, very cool. Might honestly keep that one for myself, or, I don't know, maybe I'll give it away. And then we have, what are these? Hold on. Let's get this out here. So, of course you sent me an Opinel. I see it. What is this? It's made out of carbon fiber. Is it just like one of the attachment rings? Cool. I'll have to... I've never actually used one of these. I've seen them before. I think I know what they are. Somebody might have to explain that to me. I know. MC is an idiot. I'm sure I can just hear it now. But yeah, I would appreciate your help on that one. And then an Opinel number 8. Oh goodness. Thank goodness you sent me an Opinel number 8. Oh man, should I keep this? Should I keep this one? I don't know. Thank you. Somebody will appreciate it, I'll tell you what. And then the Christmas boot, like, honestly, I want to keep this and replace my stocking over the fire, because we all have, like, me and my wife and kids all have matching stockings. I kind of want to replace mine with this and just not say anything and just make it, like, well, it's just a, maybe it's a suggestion, right? Maybe you should fill that thing up. 5-inch Lucky Lou folding fillet gutting knife, sheath included. Oh, okay, wonderful. I don't have, does this like lock? Oh, it must. Yeah. No slip handle. I bet that. And here, oh, you can see it. Yeah, it's got spine lock right there. Okay, perfect. I don't have an enormous amount of use for this, but obviously this is meant as a giveaway item. We have the back pocket dual grit tool sharpener. Might keep this. Designed for use in lawnmower blades, machetes, and axes. Might definitely keep that then. I got all the way to the end and forgot to open this one up. So I'm sticking this one in in the middle of it so that we can see what this is. So this is the one that said, MC, something to help in the future if you lock your cave door again. All right, well, let's see what we've got. Oh, lock picks! Oh, man, I'm actually really excited to try these. Look at that. Oh, cool. This is awesome. I can't wait to try this. That is so cool. I've never done this before. Oh, man, I love this. That's immediately what I'm going to do after I finish this video, is go screw around with this. Wow. Thank you. That's really fun. I can't wait to do this, and then I'm not sure what I'll do with this skill, but nothing illegal. But it'll be nice to know, right? It'll be nice to learn how this works. Oh, man. I got to put some Skyrim music on in the background, right? Okay, thank you. Anyways, back to the rest of the unboxing. My personal lawnmower blades are definitely going a little bit dull. Did we get through everything else? I think we did. I think we should check out this OKC Ontario. What do we have here? Oh, beautiful. Old Hickory. Hey, that's awesome. Made in the USA. Oh, man, I love that. I have to keep this. You sent me a whole bunch of stuff I want to keep. Oh, man, that's great. That's beautiful. I have plenty of use for this, I'll tell you what. Oh, man, that's awesome. And we've got the leather sheath even. Oh, man. I needed a good, like, meat carving knife for sure. That's beautiful. Look at all this. Man, thank you for supplying me with so many awesome items and bonus items to give away to viewers who watch my live streams or, participate in content. This is really cool, and it'll add some really fun flair and spice to, the stuff that I'm giving away. Or it would make really fun separate giveaway items. This will be great for, weeks and weeks and weeks of additional stuff that I can give away on live streams. So, guys, if you see Kelly down in the comment section, make sure and give her a like, say what's up. Kelly, I'll try to include the labels and things. Let me take a look here. I probably should have opened this up first to see what your business was. Let's do that actually. So here's what we've got. And okay, well here we go. Right here, email address, eBay, and Etsy. So make sure you guys check her out. Thank you very much. I will try to include this stuff if I give your stuff away as prizes. But sincerely, thank you. This is really cool, really fun. I didn't know what to say when she said I have a whole bunch of stuff that I wanted to send you for a giveaway, but I'm very appreciative. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. This is fun for me. Like I said, tell Kelly hi if you see her down in the comments. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.